Dial-Tone built his own crystal set when he was 10. By 14 he was part of a CB net, and had his own ham station by the time he was 16. Dial-Tone made all his own equipment, buying parts with quarters earned bagging groceries. He saw the army as a means to furthering his education in his chosen field and quickly found that instead of a stepping stone, it was a goal in itself. Manning a radio in the field wasn't just passing time, it was a job with a purpose. One of the scariest things that can happen to you out in the field is to lose contact with your base. That means you are alone. No artillery support, no airstrikes, no medevac, no extraction, no nothing. The cavalry ain't coming until the man with the radio tells them to.